हेलो दोस्तों, तो कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। आज मैं फिर से हाजिर हूँ आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेकर। और आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप सबको दिखाने वाला हूँ 5 कूल न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी वाला गेमिंग गैजेट्स, जिसे आप अपने गेमिंग के एक्सपीरियंस को प्रो लेवल पर ले जाने में आप सबकी मदद करता है। सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी दबाएं, ताकि हमारे फ्यूचर में अपलोड होने वाले वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंचता रहे। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको इनमें से कोई भी गैजेट परचेस करना है ना, मैंने लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, आप वहां से जाके परचेस कर सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Going down.
Xbox One?
Can't wait to play when I get home.
Yo, let me play.
Yeah, I have to play first. Yeah.
You know, I'll race for it.
So I have a hand.
The release of the Logitech G900 Chaos Spectrum means it is finally time for casual and elite players to cut the cord and fully embrace wireless control.
No hacks required.
At 133mm in length and 67mm in width, the G900 weighs in at a mere 107 grams, despite being chock full of pure science. But it punches far above its weight and delivers the kind of control and responsiveness that even most wired mice can only dream of. The mouse comes with a 6-foot braided cable for charging, along with a neatly compact USB wireless adapter, especially handy if you want to use in conjunction with a gaming laptop on the go. It's also bundled with an accessory case for your extra button caps and covers, along with the wireless dongle extension adapter to help keep everything together if you're hitting the road for LAN parties or tournaments. As great as these extras are though, it's the core technology employed by the Chaos Spectrum that makes it the best choice for all kinds of players, especially those wanting to take their gaming to the next level. The mouse is driven by the most highly regarded optical sensor on the market, the PMW 3366. This pixel-precise sensor has no smoothing, acceleration or filtering, so you can enjoy a constant, highly accurate relationship between your physical hand movements and their digital representation. Crucial when victory can depend on the finest of margins. Once you've fired up the Logitech gaming software, DPI levels can be set anywhere between 200 and 12,000 and can quickly be changed on the fly with the dedicated buttons, while you can also fine-tune your preferences further by selecting your own polling rate and calibrating your playing surface. The G900's elegant and ergonomic profile makes for effortless control over long periods of time, even for southpaw players. The ambidextrous design and inclusion of extra button caps and covers allows you to add, remove or reposition thumb buttons from one side to the other with ease. The Chaos Spectrum can also really live up to its name when you customize your very own lighting profile by choosing from more than 16.8 million individual colors. The software also allows you to program each button to execute specific game-dependent commands and macros. Best of all though, the G900's lightweight onboard battery also packs an almighty punch, providing you with up to 32 hours of untethered gaming between charges.
The X-Rocker Infinity is an officially licensed PlayStation product designed specifically for the PS4, PS3 and PS Vita gaming systems. The Infinity is equipped with our new Duo control panel, which allows for both wireless and Bluetooth signals at the flick of a switch. The X-Rocker Infinity utilizes a headrest-mounted 2.1 audio system and vibration motors to create an intense and immersive experience for any gamer and any type of game. The X-Rocker Infinity is decked out in an attractive blue and black faux leather, providing superior style and comfort for those long gameplay sessions. Also included with the Infinity is our brand new wireless DAC adapter, which is able to transmit sound from any audio source. PS4 audio is easy, just simply plug in the USB and switch the chair to the same channel as the transmitter, then adjust the settings like so. Alternatively, you can connect via optical connection. Plug in the optical cable to the console and the wireless DAC converter, plug in the USB to an external power supply, and then adjust the settings on the console like so.
Whether you're looking to clean your camera lens, your cell phone, or even your wristwatch, the OXO Electronics cleaning brush is small enough to handle even the littlest jobs. The OXO Electronics cleaning brush has a slim silicone wiper that removes dust from small, hard-to-reach places, including between keyboard keys and around the edges of a monitor screen, while soft bristles are gentle enough to clean cell phone, camera lenses, and more. The brush comes with a cap to protect the silicone wiper, and the bristles retract into the device, keeping both tools clean but ready to use. Sized for convenience, you can keep one in your desk drawer, car console, and laptop bag.
NVR Kit is the first all-in-one universal virtual reality kit. In addition to a headset, you also get a gun, or a joystick, or even a lightsaber, a standard controller, or a steering wheel. No problem.
Hi, I'm Qin Zheng. I'm a sci-fi fan. I love virtual reality. As a maker, I want to bring any idea into reality. I have been researching on virtual reality for years. Last year, I quit my PhD and devoted myself into the development of NVR Kit.
The headset allows you to have 360 degrees immersive experience. The field of view is 100 degrees diagonal. It's like having the best seat in an IMAX theater. NVR Kit uses a full HD screen. Each half of the screen is close to a square. However, our unique spherical lens ensures that you'll always see things in standard ratio. With the spherical lens, there will be no more aberration. NVR Kit works on all of these platforms.
It has two 9-axis IMU sensors and several groups of customizable buttons. You can play any game you like, however you like.
The inertia navigation algorithm not only tracks the motion of your head, but also the position of your body. Our one-step control mode allows you to control the action of the character in the game with one simple movement. How about throwing a grenade? Fire in a hole!
All the button and sensor interfaces are open and available to any developer. For example, with an independent gun, you can shoot anywhere you want.
Our headset will never make your eyes uncomfortable. The pupil distance is adjustable. And it doesn't matter if you wear glasses or not, just put on the headset. There is enough space for your glasses. Of course, using your own glasses is the best way for you to see.
To ensure your safety, you can open the window. Now you can see outside. You can combat your friends and conquer them with your strength and agility. This is the NVR Kit standard. You can also try the wireless version.
I just tried out the NVR headset. Very interesting, very happy to see more headsets coming to market, and I think the NVR headset is certainly a a great option for people looking for a wireless solution to experience virtual reality.
Take out the battery, reload, and resume your battle. This is our originally designed transformable bag. You can use it as a vest, or pack up your NVR kit and take it anywhere. Of course, we will mail you the kit with this bag.
Now in Minnesota, we will do best to ensure that all of you can receive the NVR kit on time. If you have any ideas, please don't hesitate to tell us so that we can make the NVR kit better together.
Thanks for giving me this demo. It was a really great experience. I love VR. I love the category of VR. So I'm really wishing you luck with your Kickstarter.
We're based in Beijing. We have fantastic production resources. Our collaborator LKK is one of the best industrial design companies in China. We have already finished the development and design, but only with your support that we can get the production process begin. Our aim is to bring virtual reality